Just properly taking care of your skin is like top tier. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanaya, known as Modest Guru, and today we are reviewing the brand new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Let's get into it. Okay, so starting with my base, I actually picked up my Sephora birthday gift, and it gave me the Tatcha skin cream. This is the Dewy Skin Cream. So this is like a travel size, which I actually need. I've been traveling quite a lot lately, just back and forth between a couple different states and also vacationing quite a lot. I am like so thrilled that Sephora still gives their customers their birthday gifts, because I always look forward to that birthday gift every year, not gonna lie. So I'm using the Tatcha. This is their Dewy Skin Cream. Just gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin so we can get into this amazing new foundation. I'm actually gonna have to buy the full size of this cream because I'm in love with it. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all, I took so long purchasing the new NARS Reflecting Foundation that my shade was not there. So typically I always get the Syracuse foundation in NARS. So currently I just had to kind of take one shade down because I really wanted to do this review. And then depending on how it applies in lighting, I will determine if I'm going to actually, need Syracuse, or will this shade that I picked up is Aruba, if Aruba works, which I feel like Aruba resonates because I went to Aruba, and let's just say Aruba is the place to be. It's the place to go. Please make sure you visit Aruba. You guys, here is the stunning packaging. I actually wanted to match the NARS packaging. So very sleek design with the logo NARS and their matte black top, and then the glass case as well. I told my Instagram followers, make sure you guys follow my Instagram page. I'm going to put it right here down below for you guys. But I told my followers, because I'm so big on my stories and trying to give them like as much information as I can through Instagram stories. I told them I'm going to try not to be biased, but I mean, I really don't know if I can keep that promise, because I've always been a fan of NARS. Like, I feel like NARS, they just been running the game for quite some time. And as a makeup artist, MUA, here in the Charlotte area, I'm big on just always trying to find those foundations that work for a very large variety of shades. And NARS tends to be one of those foundation brands. I'm going to go ahead and pump this on my skin, and yeah, let's test this foundation. Let's test it. So here is the product just on my skin. So it has like a watery consistency. As you see, it's still kind of dripping. Here's my famous swatch test. She melts. I mean, I've been using Syracuse for a minute, but I still can't tell if like this could be like my winter shade, and then Syracuse could, which is only one shade up, could actually be my summer shade. So let me go ahead and blend this out. I'm using the Morphe E65 brush. This whole side here is with the NARS. I want to show you a comparison. So this is one whole side with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Aruba. And then just showing you this side of my face is just no makeup at all. And here's the comparison. This is one pump of the foundation. So just based on, and look, I still have this amount here left. So you can still, you can see that we can add and build the coverage on this. Now my freckles is still showing through, which I like. So this new foundation is actually called Lightning Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation. Yeah, let's get into the details, and I will post the information about the details as well in this video, so that you can actually get a better idea of what products and what all this foundation has to offer. So it is a liquid formula, medium coverage. It also states that it has a natural finish. And because I feel like I look crazy, I'm going to go ahead and just apply the foundation all over, and then we're going to go ahead and break down this new foundation. Honestly, I'm going to give you a honest review because I could be very biased about NARS. This product is giving me foundation, skincare in one. Like, I honestly feel like you can just wear the foundation, put on some powder to set the foundation because it is a very dewy foundation, and you can go on about your day, your business, and it's like your skin but better. I don't have to apply concealer, bronzer, do the whole nine. I am anyways, because y'all know how I do. I don't have to do that. I can use this as a everyday natural finish skin, but my skin but better version. The NARS Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation retails for $49. Now that we talked about the products, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how this makeup looks with the rest of my everyday products that I use. For concealer, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. I'm just going to blend that out. Then I use two concealers, my second favorite concealer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. This is their Magic Touch concealer in the shade 10. This is my brightening concealer. I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Sculpting Shaping Stick in the shade Medium. I'm almost out, honestly. Been using it so much. To set my face, I'm using the KVD. This is the KVD Lock It Translucent Setting Powder. I actually saw like a really great makeup artist post this setting powder, and baby, she was snatching her client faces. So definitely adding this to my makeup kit. I'm currently obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills new palette. This palette is called Prime Rose. Look how stunning this palette is. Let's go in with Saddle first. Guys, get your hands on this palette. Seriously. Alright, y'all. So I'm back with my makeup fully applied. And I want to say my honest review of this product is that it is definitely giving me foundation and skincare in one. I can say that just because the product is so dewy and it just feels really lightweight and hydrating to my skin almost instantly. So those are the things that I love so far. It also fits well with all of my everyday makeup products that I use, so I don't really foresee any issues with having to change my routine up like a whole lot. Y'all, I'm gonna be biased because I feel like NARS have never failed me. And once again, they are giving me skincare. And I feel like brands are focusing more on skincare just because that's something that's promoted a lot lately. It's taking care of your skin. No matter how much makeup you put on your skin, if you are not treating your skin right, then it just shows through that makeup either way it goes. And this is not for, people who have acne prone skins or any skincare issues that they're aware of, but just properly taking care of your skin is like top tier. That being said, you guys, this ends today's video, but I will definitely be bringing you a lot more to come. Welcome back, family. We're back together. I want to thank y'all for watching my new review on the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I hope that you guys pick it up. I review the shade Aruba. I typically wear the shade Syracuse, so that's a one shade difference. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And of course, before you leave, definitely consider joining a family so that you can stay in tune with new reviews of products and me, of course. But thank you guys again. I love you so much. And until next time, take care.